We have 6-inch pulley with a weldable hub. I'm gonna get some welding done today. Hopefully I don't screw it up. So those suck, I'm gonna be honest. Okay, 3 out of 4 of those tacks leave a lot to be desired. That picks that up. That one right there is not awful. That one's stupid. That one's not touching anything. And that one's barely touching. I can do better than that. There we go. It's not too terrible. That side's a little crazy, but I think that'll hold that side really well. I'm gonna do the back side now. Here she is. Let's do a comparison on these pulleys. So anybody who's not familiar with mower upgrades is if you have a small pulley on the motor, which most of them do from the factory, and you put a bigger pulley on the motor, makes it go faster. So there's the pulley that I'm putting on. It's a 6-inch. There's the pulley that came off. It's a 3-inch. I don't know if this had enough time to cool down yet or not. Does it look hot? Not bad. Hope it's good, because that's what it is now. Give you a little closer shot here. Not bad. I'll take it. This is going to take a whole lot of laying on the ground, I think. This belt's got to go. Oh shoot. I gotta pull that off first. I gotta pull that thing off so I can get it down past these belt keepers. Luckily I've had this off, so it's not that big a deal to get it off again. Gotta get it down like that. Get the belt out and I'll go get the 58. We'll do the 58 first. I think it's time. Let's give it a try. It's the 58. My clutch doesn't release all the way when it's in gear. So that ain't gonna work. Who wants to do another belt swap? Not me. Okay. This is fun, this is fun, this is fun. So that's good to know. If you put a belt on, it's a little too small, you won't be able to stop. Luckily, in addition, this transaxle has a high and a low range with a neutral in between. So while I wasn't able to stop the belts from spinning, I was able to stop the transaxle from spinning, which is a good thing. Oh, wait a minute. If it's too tight, I need a 59. Shit. You know, maybe I'll just give this another quick test. Wait, is this? No, because I took the... Okay, no, I don't need a 59. There's a 58 right here. I have a 57 on it. I need to take the 57 off. I like doing things a lot of times. Sometimes, you know, which this pulley could have come off one time, but I decided to second guess my measurements that I did math for, and it didn't work. Hopefully the extra inch on this belt will be enough. Hopefully it's not a half size, like 75 and a half, which is what the math actually came out to be. I'm hoping I can get away with it, because I wasn't able to find, did I say 75? I meant 57. I'm hoping, I couldn't find a 57 and a half inch belt. What am I doing here? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Make sure things aren't loosey goosey. It just seems so loose, but I guess maybe that's what it takes to stop the mower from going. Okay. Now you ready? Try this again. Okay, seems like it worked. I need to get a little more space. Just picked this piece of crap up for 60 bucks. It's a peach. Let's go for a ride along. Well, I just did top speed, and the winner is with the new belt, or new pulley, 9 miles per hour. I think it's time to put a transaxle pulley on now. Okay, I guess that's it. That's it for today anyway. This drove up and over the curb no problem, which I'm not really surprised with the big tires on there. Next, I'd like to do a gas pedal. I want to do a brake handle, or at least a handle with a hand brake on it, on the right hand side, right next to this. It'll hook like a deck. I could hook that up as a handbrake, or I could weld a handle right here for a handbrake. But yeah, one more little project done. Meanwhile, low is too low still. It is incredibly low geared. I think we can sacrifice some more of that to get a little more top end speed. I don't want to do like 30, but I'm thinking like 15 would be pretty sketchy on this thing. I'm not one of those guys who needs to go 60 miles an hour on a lawnmower, but yeah, 15 would be pretty cool. So bigger transaxle, no, smaller transaxle pulley coming as soon as I get it headed this way. Like and subscribe, do all the things. Leave me a comment. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know what I'm doing right. Thanks, guys. See ya.